in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your video from looking like this to this. One of the main textbook lighting setups is called 3-point lighting. And we have the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. Let's demonstrate how to do this so you can light your videos professionally. So when you walk into a room, you turn on the light switch, but it looks so bad. So let's turn off the house lights and turn on the soft light. Right here, we have what's called a key light. So when it comes to the key light, you want to remember size, position, and angle. So the size of the key light, the bigger it is, the softer the light is gonna be. Soft lighting flatters faces. It hides wrinkles, it makes your skin more even-toned, as you can tell from the before and the after shots. As far as position, you want to place the key light at about a 30 to 60 degree angle from the camera. And for the angle of the light, you want to point it down at a 45 degree angle onto the subject's face. In addition to the key light, you also want to think about the fill light, which is on the opposite side as the key light. And what we're using here is just a foam board that costs $1. You can get those at any office supply stores. And we're having the key light bounce off of the foam board and fill in this side of my face to kind of make it more even-toned and give that soft lighting on this side of the face. And the third light you want to use, backlight. So backlight is also called hair light because you're basically adding a rim or halo effect around the subject's head or hair. Backlight gives you depth and separates the subject from the background. So the subject, like me in this case, pops out from the background, and the viewer who watches the video connects more easily with this subject. And if you want to start filming yourself so you look hands down amazing, you can grab my free training video, How to Film Yourself Professionally on a Phone. In this training, I go through step by step how to light yourself 3 different ways, how to create a film set in any location, and the list goes on. Just grab it at the link in the description. Can't wait to see you there.